What's up, guys? It's Eric from Yokohama Skateboards. We got the gloves on, we got the mask, the beanie, we got the sweatshirt, the jacket, little 2-layer action going on. Usually we complain how cold it is in the mornings, but if you guys have watched the news or anything, California is pretty cold. I think it's in the 30s right now. You can kind of see up there. We got snow pretty close, and it's actually snowed where me and Enzo are at. It actually snowed in Chino Hills yesterday, so never seen that in my life. Very cool. Hats off to everybody that lives in colder places, because we're not built for this. Me and Enzo aren't, at least. But yeah, we got a couple of topics we're gonna go over today. One we got in, this one I think would be really cool because I know places got dumped on with snow, and it's kind of like the same motion, but we're gonna talk about pumping, getting momentum through transition. So we're gonna go through all of these corners that you see, like the little bowls here, and I'm gonna show you the process that I do to gain more speed into another trick. Pumping is one of the kind of bases and the ground level to learning how to skate transition. I would say dropping in, pumping, and probably just some basic tricks on the coping are what you're gonna wanna learn. So let's get into pumping, and I'll show you what works for me and kind of some little tips and tricks that I've kind of gathered by learning the process. Alright guys, so there was some clips of me pumping around the park, just gaining a little momentum, and that's how you kind of can learn new lines, by gaining speed, seeing where you can get a little like bump off the transition, kind of like almost like a little Mario Kart. You hit the mushroom, you start going faster. That's what pumping kind of is. And once you figure it out, it changes the game for all like kind of transition skating for you. So I'm gonna go in real slow. I'm just gonna drop in from here just to show like the mechanics of the pumping, and I'll break it down. So first of all, you're gonna wanna start, when you pump, you're gonna wanna start low. So just start in the transition low, come around. Don't worry if you're moving your board a couple of times, that's normal. But the finished product, we want to have it so it's one smooth motion. So you go up the wall and you go through it without tic-tacking around. So I'm going to come in. We started out slow at the bottom, then gradually go to the middle of the transition, then the top. And then you'll see that you can actually pump through doing like 50-50s or front 5-0s and stuff like that. For me, I like to aim kind of around top of the middle, and then I know I'm gonna be at the top of it. And so it's gonna give you a little bit more time when you're coming down the transition to even get another pump. So you're gonna pump at the wall, get to the top, and pump down. So when I say pump, you're gonna be using your legs. It's all like in your legs. I'd say it's about thigh, knee. So right when I'm coming into the transition, I'm gonna bend down. I'm gonna it's almost like loading up. So almost like an ollie position, but you're not gonna be so far back on your board. And you wanna spring the momentum that you have forward. So that's gonna give you that little boost. So let me show you a little bit right here. So loading up, and then pump forward. And so you can gain a lot of speed like that. It's a little easier when I drop in or come out somewhere where I have a lot more speed. But I can just show you right now. Right here, not a lot of speed. So I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna pump around a couple times just to show you that you can build momentum without even really pushing. So that's what like the most benefit of the pump is gonna be. So I'm gonna start right here. Not pushing at all, just a little pump. We're not talking about the wrapper either. Go up, a little pump. Go up, little pump. So now we're starting to cook. So another pump. Same rules apply front side too. So you're gonna load up, push forward, load down. When you're coming down the transition, you wanna load up again. So it's all about all in the knees, just getting up and down, and down. As you get comfortable at it, you can start getting more momentum. This park is super fun to pump on because it's all transition. So I managed to go from the pyramid around the park a couple times. Sorry, out of breath a little, but just with pumping. So like I was saying, you want to load up. Coming at the transition, I'm down. Right when I get to like the peak of where I want to be, push forward and kind of stand up. When you're going down the transition, load up again. When I say load up, it means just like kind of get down in that squat position. Sorry guys, I'm out of breath. I don't know what it is. It's real stuff out here, guys. You know how we do. So I was pumping backside, front side, backside, front side. And almost the same rules apply. Let me get this down a little. Almost the same rules apply when just doing a kick turn. So when you go up, let me show you real quick. Easier than me painting a picture. So the kick turn. We've done videos on this. You're gonna go up, turn. So you could also learn how to pump doing that. So go up the wall, load up, get back down. So see, as you can see, I'm gaining more momentum. So up, down, get to the top, up, load, down. And as you get better at it, you don't have to exaggerate the squat too much because you'll be comfortable. So you can just kind of gain more speed. It's all about gaining speed. I probably look so goofy at this on, but oh, what the heck. We do it for content. We do it for you guys. We thought it'd be funny. Did our best snowboard get up. So that's pumping. It's one of the bases, like I said, of transition skating. So let me take the glove off. But whew, sorry, Enzo, knocked the coffee over. But yeah, that's pretty much how to pump right there. We'll go into a couple more clips of me pumping around the park, and then we got one more thing we want to share with you guys. And yeah, we'll see you in the next clip. I had one.
That's cool, yeah. It's just like a cool little transition. Nice.
All right, guys, there's a little breakdown of how to pump in transition. Like I said, it's one of the first kind of things you'll want to learn. I'd say dropping in, of course. Then we have the roll in. Then we have the kick turns that are essentially pumping, but just going up and down. And then the pumping is going to get you around the park at a fast pace. Yeah, sorry if in a couple of those clips when I'm breaking it down, a little winded. It's cold. I think it's 37 out right now. We shoot these videos early, and yeah, it's just a little out of the norm, so we were having fun with it today, bundled up, acting like we were snowboarders, I guess, or whatever. But if you do want to check out a snowboard, Lil Jacob, one of our riders, friends at snowboarding. So here's his Instagram and link to him if you want to check him out. He shreds, and shreds on the board as well, skateboard, and he shreds in the snow. So I can only guess that he's really excited to see all that snow. So probably see some snowboard clips of him. But yeah, that's pretty much a wrap for us. This isn't a regular day that we filmed, so I'm pretty excited because I got to skate this morning, and now I get to go to work. But at least I had fun before work. So I just want to thank you guys so much for the continued support with us here at Yokoher. Whether it be ordering anything on our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, following us on Instagram, participating in the giveaways, which there will be more soon, so be on the lookout. And to be on the lookout for that, just keep following your social media, stay subscribed to our YouTube channel, because we're always dropping not only new content, but we're dropping new giveaways as well. Oh, this is weird. All the cars seem to start slowing down. I'm not sure if there was an accident or what. Sorry, I got a little sidetracked. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Yeah, thanks so much, guys. We love making these videos. So if there's anything in the video that you kind of want maybe a little bit under the microscope, a little bit more breakdown, go ahead and comment below. Or if there's an idea for a video that you really want to see, or a trick, let us know and we'll make that happen for you. So yeah, I'm gonna skate a little bit more, and then I gotta go to work. See ya.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week. And if you have any requests for any other future videos, you know where to find us.